flower. No. This has golden ratios in it. See? Do you see how all of these petals are the same? Yes? This is a golden ratio. Look at this flower too. Look at the flowers. It's so beautiful. You may be asking yourself, what is a golden ratio? Well, if we look closely at the flower here, we see that golden ratios are geometric shapes that repeat itself. This one has 5, so it has the golden ratio of the pentagram. It's very important. Even tree branches are golden ratios. If you look closely, you can see all the golden ratios in the branches.
Oh, cool. There's a pine cone here.
Actually, that's not just a pine cone. That is a golden ratio.
Cool. What the heck is that?
Golden ratio. You see, this is not a golden ratio, but from either side, you can see the golden ratio. Let's let the camera girl see. Look at that, golden ratios of the repetitive geometric shapes, and here too. Beautiful, beautiful pine cones, delicious.
Hey, we got some seashells here. These can't be a golden ratio, I don't think.
Actually, those are golden ratios. You see, these spirally ones have a golden ratio in its spiral. Both of these have a golden ratio in the spiral. But not only that, also in the common sand dollar, it has the pentagram from the flower we were talking about earlier. Do you see how the 5 stars make up a golden ratio?
Cool.
Cool! It's all cool! So you might be asking yourself, what else could be a golden ratio?
Where else is it found?
Good question, Devin. You see, golden ratios can be found throughout the universe. The biggest golden ratio you can think of is a spiral galaxy. Miss the young lady, where are you going? You're talking about golden ratios right now.
You were talking to him, I felt awkward.
You see, also golden ratios can be found in something so small as your DNA, young sir. Just your DNA spiral has a golden ratio in it.
Aren't your fingers a golden ratio too?
Yes, even your 5 fingers are golden ratios.
But Nature Natalie, do you mind, can we use you?
Of course you can. You can of course use Nature Natalie.
Important life. See, we are looking at all this nature out here. Do you happen to see any more golden ratios out here?
Why, Backcourt and King, I have some golden ratios in my hand.
In your seat, on top of everything.
Look at this. This right
What a
here
beautiful shell.
is a spiral golden ratio.
Michael, come closer, please. No.
Actually, no, see, the pineapple is a repetitive geometric shape.
Hey, this is
Bring the
inappropriate.
pineapple back out. You have to let me see the geometric golden ratio. I want the golden ratio. My golden ratio.
Nature on 3. 1, 2, 3. Nature! Over and out.
This is a warm-up. See if the camera's all good. I'll edit it. Okay, it's fine. Okay, go.
Do I say it to the camera?
We're recording.
Get closer. Get closer.
What do I say it to the camera?
No, just talk to the flower.
Just walk along and then be like,
Okay,
oh, what a
okay,
beautiful flower.
let me walk.
We should find a Triforce somehow.
goodness.
Like the world is
Wait,
just like
on your parking spot.
twerk for me, Miranda.
Pull the tree branches.
Yeah.
There's a good one over there, though.
Oh, right here, Natalie.
That's a good
There's a good one right here.
golden
That
ratio.
big one. That's a golden ratio right there. Hopefully, you don't get bit by a snake because we saw a snake out here
Oh my
yesterday.
gosh, do not say that when I'm about to climb up like.
Oh, I love hiking.
There was a snake on our dummy, on our football dummy the other day.
You look like a bird.
Okay, that's good. Stop recording. Do you see these people? These people wish they knew more about golden ratios, but they don't have Nature Natalie on their side.
Nature Natalie.
Nature Natalie is the best.
The brand.
This is Nature Natalie.
God got pollen. Gotta get the heck up out of here.
Oh crap, wait, it has to be 3 to 5 minutes. Ours is not 3 minutes.
Yes, it is.
It's definitely 3 minutes.
It's like, yeah.
Just the first part was like
Miranda, please tell the world what you're doing right now.
Someone spit their gum out, and now I stepped on it, and now it's all over my shoe. And
Competitive group. Competitive group. Why do you guys have pineapple?
You know why?
Why?
Because it's a part of nature.
Well, we have a seashell, and so take that, bro.
Y'all may have one, but you know, as long as we all have the golden ratios of nature, it doesn't matter.
Fight.